I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Huh? Who did that? I know what he said. I know what he's talking about. That's his son right there, these two. What's going on, man? Yeah, man. He said I gotta come see you, man. Yeah, man. What you got going on in here?
2 resilient sound platinum 15s and a 6-footer.
Yeah. What kind of power you running on them?
I got a 10 amps 12K.
Yeah. I like them.
Shattering glass and tapping asses. This is DJ Rusticles.
Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
TikTok at TSX_Smith. That's about all of social media that I get on.
Okay, I'll be sure to try to tag it down below. Who built your box?
Space Jam the Band on TikTok. Zach Smith.
Okay. I sure appreciate it, brother.
No problem.
All right, man.
No
All right.
problem, man.
Thank you. There you go.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
You want to get a picture of it?
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.